Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will show you how you can delete your website from wordpress.com. So friends, log into your wordpress.com account and then you have to scroll down to the left side and choose the setting option, and at the below you will be find delete your site permanently. Click on this and then you can export your content. If you want to backup, so choose the export content and then or scroll down and choose the delete site. It will delete your site permanently. Then retype your URL. After complete the URL typing, please select the delete this site and this site will be deleted permanently. So friends, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress related videos.